In this video, I'll show you how to create the trending travel style photo effect that's currently popular on Instagram. To get started, install and open the ChatGPT app on your device. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Create Image option. After that, tap the plus icon and select Photos to upload a picture from your gallery that you want to transform into a travel style image. Once your photo has been uploaded, paste the prompt into the text box. In the prompt, you'll find a section where you can enter a location name. Replace it with any destination or place you'd like to feature in your travel photo. After entering the location, tap Send to begin the image generation process. Wait a few moments while ChatGPT generates the image. Once the process is complete, your travel style photo will appear on the screen. If you're satisfied with the result, tap the download button to save the image directly to your gallery. That's all it takes to create a trending travel style photo using ChatGPT. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.